What's going on, Garrett here. In this video, I'm going to reveal how to start promoting products on Clickbank so you can start to generate commissions as soon as this week. Now, in this video, I'm going to reveal a very simple way to find great products to promote as far as what to look for so you're guaranteed to make sales. And I'm also going to share with you a very easy 15-minute formula anyone can do, even if you're completely brand new, to start generating clicks to your affiliate link so you can make those sweet commissions as soon as possible.
But before that, if you want to learn online money-making methods, affiliate marketing, or how to create passive income, be sure to go down below, click the subscribe button and the notification bell so you're always notified of my latest video. Last, if you want to discover my #1 recommended way to make money online, click the first link in the description to check it out. Without further ado, let's begin today's video.
So the very first step is we need to actually either create an account with Clickbank if you don't have one already, or we need to log into our account. Now, if you don't have a Clickbank account, to get started, it's very simple. You just go to clickbank.com. When you're there, you click this sign up button, and this will actually take you to a form where you can go ahead and fill out your information, okay, such as first name, last name, email address, password, and then you can go ahead and continue to terms and join. Okay, again, this is totally free, and Clickbank is one of the largest affiliate marketplaces to find tons of different products in many different niches. Now, once you log in, you want to go to the very top tab under Marketplace. Now, this is where you're going to find all the products you can choose to promote with Clickbank. Now, they have many different categories, okay? Arts and entertainment, betting systems, cooking, food, and wine. Now, how do you choose what category? Well, it's a couple of factors that I highly recommend after doing affiliate marketing full-time for 5 years now, okay? If you're just getting started, I highly recommend you choose one of the 3 evergreen niches to go into. Now, what does that mean? Evergreen basically means that the niches will never go away. See, if you do some of these categories, some of them may be popular now, but they're not going to be popular later. So for example, if you did keto, right, the keto diet. Now this is, somewhat popular right now, but maybe in a few years it won't be. So if you put all your eggs into that basket, if you focus 100%, you use this simple method, then this isn't going to continue to pay you months, if not years to come. But if you use this method I'm going to share with you in an evergreen niche, then you can start to make money again for years to come. Now, what are the evergreen niches? There's 3. Make money online, relationships, and health and fitness. Okay? Because those 3 are always going to have people interested. So on Clickbank, I would choose either the e-business, e-marketing, health and fitness, or self-help, because under the self-help, they have dating and different relationship type products. Okay, so how do you narrow down out of those 3? I would pick which one you're most interested in. If you are interested in relationships and kind of helping people like that, then go into that category. If you're interested more in your health, start with health and fitness. And then if you're interested in making money online and things like that, you can start with the e-business, e-marketing. Now, for the sake of this video, let's do health and fitness. So you just click on that category, and on Clickbank, the way it works is it's going to list down all these different products. Okay, now each one of these, this one, BioFit, Okinawa, Flat Belly Tonic, these are all different products, okay, that you can choose to promote on Clickbank. Now, you can see a lot of information as far as, a little bit of a summary about what it's about, the product. You can see the average dollar per conversion, okay, meaning how much money on average when someone actually gets a sale are they making? Because a lot of these products will have upsells, downsells, and basically they will allow you to earn more than just that initial front end product. So now what we want to do is we want to actually go up here though and sort results by, we want to go to gravity, because what this is going to do is this is going to sort Clickbank products by the top selling products at the top. Okay, so what gravity is, you can see the score for each of the products here. Okay, gravity is basically an average of how many other affiliate marketers made a sale with this product within the last week or so. So the higher the gravity, the more likely if you promote this product, you'll also make sales too. So we want to look at, which of these products have the top gravity score. Okay, now you just want to look at the top like 3 products, and what you can actually do is you can right click, you can open these products, and you can see the sales page. So this is actually the affiliate sales page, okay? So if we promote our affiliate link and someone goes to the sales page, this would be what they would see. Now, how do you narrow down the top 3 products? You want to open up the different sales pages and you want to look over them and you want to ask yourself, would this be something you would purchase, right? Would this be something that maybe you would buy? Do you resonate with this? And if so, then this would be a good product to promote, okay? So what you can do also is you can open up this affiliate page, okay? Because a lot of people don't realize that on ClickBank, most of these products have an affiliate page where they have resources, okay? So you can go down and they have different resources such as, high converting email swipes, okay? So a lot of these will actually give you done for you emails that you can go ahead and use, okay? You can see right here. They also will have different tracking pixels, Facebook ads sometimes. Okay, so this is giving you different, headline examples. They're making it easier for you to actually go out there and promote. Okay, so you want to keep that in mind as well when you choose a product. But, this one, let's say Okinawa Flat Belly Tonic. Let's say we want to promote that one. Whenever you want to promote a product on ClickBank, all you have to do is click that promote button, and then you'll get your hop link. So just generate that right there. Okay, and now this right here is my affiliate link. Okay, so I can copy this and I want to keep this handy. So I can put this in a notepad. Okay, so that right there is my own personal affiliate link. So if I send someone to this and they decide to buy, I'm going to get credit for that sale, that referral, and I'll start to make money. Okay, now you can actually go to reporting and you can see your stats, how many clicks, how many conversions and sales you've actually been making. That's where you can actually check that out. But now we want to get into the method, because once we actually find a product to promote, now we want to start using this 15-minute easy method to start to generate sales. Okay, so what I want to do is first I want to take and copy the name of this product, okay, like this, and I want to put it in the notepad file because this is going to come in handy, okay, as you'll see in a second. So what we can do with this method is we want to go to YouTube. Okay, now what we can do is we can actually search in the name of that product, okay, and I'll share why. So if I do this, you're going to notice that YouTube is dropping down words after that, okay. Now what this method entails is what we're going to be doing is creating very simple videos, posting them on YouTube, getting them to rank, and then when someone sees our video and they watch it, we're going to have our affiliate link under that video in the description. They're going to click it and we're going to start to make passive income. Okay, now don't freak out if you don't want to put your face out there or you want to remain anonymous. I'm going to share with you exactly how to do it without even sharing your face very, very easily. Okay, so what we want to do is we want to open this up and we want to look at how many other people have done this. Okay, so you can see right here. So if I type in the name of the product followed by reviews, you're going to see that other people have already been using this method, but not a lot of people. Okay, you can see this person, but there's not a lot of people that are actually doing this, because what you can actually do, okay, is a couple things. First off, when you want to create a video, the very first video you want to create with this method is the name of the product followed by review. We want to do a review of this product on ClickBank, because what happens is other affiliate marketers, you can see with this specific product, 421 on average, okay, within the last week or so, was promoting this product. Actually more, because this is how many made a sale. So thousands of people have been promoting this product very recently. So if we do a video, okay, and we title it the name of the product followed by reviews, and we post that to YouTube, our video is going to show up here. And all you have to do in that video is give a review. Okay, just give an honest review of that product, and then just tell them at the end of the video, all in all, I highly recommend this product. Be sure to go down under my video, click that link, and get access to it right now. And what we're going to do is we're going to put this link in the description right under the video. Okay, now how do you actually create this video though, right? Because what you have to realize is thousands of people are getting marketed to with this product. They're getting emailed, they're getting Facebook messages. Tons of people are promoting this product right now. So what happens is that person, before they buy, is going to go to Google, they're going to go to YouTube, and they're going to search reviews. They want to see, is this product a scam? Is it legit? Should I invest my money? And when they come across your video and you tell them that, yes, this is a good product, you should purchase it through the link below, you're going to get tons of buyer traffic even while you're sleeping for months to come if this product stays relevant. And that's personally, one of the strategies that I've personally done the last 5 years. I've done tons of review videos and I've been generating, income like clockwork. And you can do this too. Now, how do you actually create the video, right? Well, there's a couple ways. Number one, you can simply take your smartphone, okay, and you can hold it up in front of your face and you can record a review, right? Or if you don't want to show your face, you can go to obsproject.com and you can download this, okay, if you have a Windows computer or a Mac. And this is actually what I'm using right now to record my screen. Now, you can just show your screen. You don't actually have to share your face, okay, if you want to remain anonymous, right? So you can actually do this method no matter what, right? You just record. If you have a webcam, you just kind of talk and you just describe the benefits of the product. Now, how do you actually know? Well, it's very simple. You can just watch other people's review videos, curate what they're saying, take the best of what they're saying, and then create your own video, right? And then make a video where you share other people's views. You can even say that in the video. Hey, what's up, my friend? In this video, I'm going to share with you honest reviews of what other people had to say. And then towards the end, I'll give my verdict. And then at the end of that video, you just say, hey, all in all, I really recommend this. Go down below, click the link, and then get started if you're interested, and then put your affiliate link. Now, how do we capitalize on this? Because, this isn't the only type of video we can do. Like once you do that review video, how do you do more, keywords, right? How do you do more videos to get more traffic and sales? Well, we want to go back here. We want to figure out what this is. Okay, so this is a flat belly product. This teaches people how to actually, have a flat belly, right? So what we want to do is whatever the product is about, we want to also go to YouTube and we want to type that in. How to get a flat belly. Okay, now you can see when I start to type keywords that have to do with that, that what the product is, YouTube gives us ideas. Now, these ideas are actual search terms real people have been searching because YouTube thinks, hey, if other people are searching this, you're probably interested in this too. But we're not interested in watching these videos. We're interested in creating videos, okay, that have to do with these keywords. So how to get a flat belly in a week. That is a video I could create, okay, and I can actually open this up to see if anyone else. Okay, so it looks like not many people have actually created a video, okay, how to lose belly fat, but no one's actually done how to get a flat belly in a week, that exact keyword as the title. So what I would do is I would take this actual keyword right here and I would make a video teaching, 1 to 3 tips on how to get a flat belly. Now, how do you know? Again, you could watch other people's videos. You could go to Google and you could actually, read some articles on how to get a flat belly and just summarize what you learn in a video. Again, you can show images. You can record on a smartphone. You could record your screen. It really doesn't matter. People are interested in the information. And if you teach that, again, the strategy is people are going to be searching for how to get a flat belly. You give some value, okay? People come to know, like, and trust you. And then at the end of the video, all you say is something like, now, obviously, I can't share all about how to get a flat belly in a week in this video. If you want to discover my top recommended way to do it, click the first link below. And again, we would have this link in our description. So what happens is we'll have all these people searching this. This is very targeted. They'll see our video, they'll like our information, and then we'll just send them to our affiliate link and we'll start to make tons of sales. You can see just real quick, I have a few channels, but this channel right here, okay, this is what I actually do, right? If I go here, you're going to be able to see that I'm doing this, okay, all the time, right? How to make money with YouTube Shorts. People search this, right? I got, 1,500 views. People searched how to make money with YouTube Shorts. They watch my video. And then at the end, I say, hey, obviously I can't get into all the ways to make money online. If you want to discover my #1 way, go down below, okay? And you can also say that I'm doing reviews. Okay, this was a review video. So I'm practicing what I'm preaching, and I've been able to make 6 figures a year, okay, just doing this very simple method. So if you got value and you want to learn more about how to dominate on affiliate marketing, be sure to subscribe, hit that bell icon as well, so you never miss out on my latest videos. And last but not least, my friend, Clickbank is great, but a lot of the payouts are very low and it takes a while to get the money. If you want to discover my #1 recommended affiliate system that will pay you upwards of $2,000 a sale, and you'll get that money instantly in some of the income streams. Be sure to click the first link below, watch that overview video, and get started so you can earn as fast as possible. Anyway, my friend, thanks so much for watching, and I will see you on my next video.